Welcome once again to Angrejimaster. We are back with some vocabulary. Today we are going to discuss how to use idioms. In this series, we have brought for you 10 water idioms. So here we go. The first idiom is mouth-watering. If you describe something as mouth-watering, you are emphasizing that it is very attractive.
There were so many dishes that every child was rushing to have mouth-watering pizzas.
The second idiom is test the water. If you test the water, you find out people's opinions or responses to a plan in order to work out whether it is worth going ahead with it or not.
The government decided to hold a pilot vaccination drive to test the waters before going in for the whole nation.
Next one is in hot water. Someone who is in hot water is in trouble over something they have said or done.
He found himself in hot water over his comments on terrorism.
The next one is dead in the water. Something that is dead in the water has failed and now has no chance of succeeding.
The Indo-China Peace Accord is now widely considered to be dead in the water.
The fifth one is water under the bridge. If you describe past arguments or difficulties, especially with a relationship, as water under the bridge, you mean that you no longer feel angry or upset about them because they happened so long ago.
Almost all the disputes between India and Pakistan have been settled amicably, while others are now water under the bridge.
The sixth one is like a duck to water. If someone takes to a new role or an activity like a duck to water, they are immediately very good at it.
Whether it's acting or directing, Amir Khan took all like a duck to water.
The seventh one, like water off a duck's back, which means criticisms of someone that are like water off a duck's back do not upset that person, as water running off the duck's feathers are not absorbed by them.
Yesterday, a lot of people sat on a dharna in front of the minister's residence, but insults don't worry him. It's like water off a duck's back.
The eighth one is fish out of water. A fish out of water refers to a person who's very uncomfortable in a situation that they are not used to. Often someone who's very different from everyone else present.
Being used to her sister's company, Ria looked like a fish out of water in the party without her.
The ninth idiom is to throw the baby out with the bath water. If you say somebody is throwing out the baby with the bath water, you mean that with the unwanted outcomes, he is discarding the positives as well.
Why are we scraping the entire deal? Come on, don't throw the baby out with the bathwater.
We'll finish with a nice saying. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink. Which means that you can only help someone to do something, You can't actually force them to do it.
I have paid his school fee, bought him books and the uniform, but he still doesn't study. I guess you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink. Watching.
Do like, share and subscribe Angrejimaster. And do not forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification for our latest videos. Thank you.